So I just want to show you, I just put this frame of brood in right here. It says Golden Legion. And this hive was scattered, just kind of mulling around, no cohesion, they weren't focused on anything. They were just kind of meh. This is a swarm I just picked up a couple days ago. I had them locked in here in this nuke. I was feeding them some of my honey through a little hole with a screen on it. So they got some food, but now you can see they're getting excited. It's basically open brood and a little bit of honey cap on the side, on the corners. And now you can see them having purpose. They're getting excited. They're going to the middle frame. There is a queen in here. She looks mated, but you know, she was just in a swarm and she has no comb to lay in, so that's probably why she hasn't gotten her big butt yet. But she's pretty big, even if she's not laying. But you can see the excitement. They just wander straight to the middle frame because they can smell that brood. And that will get them, that's why they stay. So if you ever have a swarm, you caught a swarm, you're like, man, I don't really want to lock them in. I'm not sure if they're going to make it. You can always feed them honey. Your honey if possible. If not, 1-to-1 sugar, just so you don't get diseases from other farmers' honey. And then put a frame of brood in there. This is why you want to have 2 hives also. Just in case you have a hive that's not doing well, struggling, hopelessly queenless, you can always add a frame of brood from another hive. And it will pick them right back up and they will have purpose. You see them kind of going crazy. When I opened this hive, they were just sitting there. They just looked up at me and they were just like, what's my purpose? I don't know. Even though they had a queen, there was nothing going on. So now they have purpose and now they're busy. You can see them scrambling because now they have brood to take care of. So just want to share that with you. I'm not going to take the frame out because the queen's probably on there and I don't want to squish her. I have not marked her yet because if she is virgin, I don't want a bee with a blue back going out into the world. They'll probably be picked off by birds very easy, so that's not what you want. So, and this is why I like these lice and nukes, because you can see here they have these holes. You can pop these out and they become upper entrances, and then you can fill them with these so they get ventilation. There's 4 ventilation ports in the bottom too. You can either cover or leave open. I always leave them open. And then you can have 1 ventilation on top so that the heat can escape if needed. And I just took a spoon and shoved it in here and kind of tilted the whole hive forward so the honey would drain in, and they lapped it up. So that's what I did for the past couple days. So there you are, little tips and tricks on catching swarms. Now we just got to make sure these ladies are going to be gentle for us, hopefully. So you want to just try to not kill anybody because they are not very big. Need everybody they can get. Okay. Because they're so small, I'm going to leave the front taped up for now, and then they have this one entrance there. Sorry, I'm in the shadows. I think one entrance there. All right, well, let's see if they're aggressive or not. I'd say 3/4 of the swarms I catch in Texas are aggressive. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, really helps me out.